Assalamu alaikum. I am Hassan Suhail Bhatt, working as a faculty member in the University of Lahore. Welcome to the University of Lahore and Faculty of Allied Health Sciences, where we are offering different courses under the umbrella of Department of Health Professional Technologies. Today we are discussing about the BS Biomedical Engineering Technology. It is 4 years program with 8 semesters having credit hours of 136 and eligibility criteria is minimum 50% in FSC or equivalent. The biomedical engineering technology profession is devoted to improving human health and well-being by using engineering principles and technologies. It develops fundamental theories, systems, and products to support medical industries, healthcare providers, governmental agencies, and academic entities. The aim of Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Engineering Technology program is to produce graduate in the country of graduation level who will be competent to identify, assess, evaluate, manage, and solve all the problems and technical errors in biomedical line, and eligible enough to get hands on biomedical equipment and machines to maintain and to repair them. The program's vision is to revolutionize Pakistan through medical technology by assuring high quality education and training and to generate highly qualified trained biomedical engineering technologists for benefit of society. The program's mission is to equip students with superior engineering technology knowledge while also instilling in them the values and ethics that will allow them to communicate effectively, pursue lifelong learning, and contribute to the development of prosperous society. In future, for further studies, for instance, master's or PhD in abroad, you can carry out your research and specialization in various mentioned fields, as shown in the picture, such as biomechanics, biosensors, medical imaging, biomaterials, neural imaging, engineering, etc. Again, the eligibility criteria for biomedical engineering technology is minimum 50 marks in FSC, pre-engineering or pre-medical, securing pass percentage in the entry test, qualifying the interview successfully, having up to marks credentials. Biomedical engineering technologists work in industry, apply their background and knowledge towards the advancement of technology and the betterment of society by contributing to educational and social institutions. Biomedical technologists work in hospital, biomedical labs, clinics, private medical companies, and rehabilitation centers. One important thing to note is that the University of Lahore is affiliated with the University of Lahore Teaching Hospital, where biomedical engineering technologies undergraduate students here perform the clinical rotation in biomedical engineering department. After the graduation, the biomedical engineering technologist can be employed in various healthcare institutions such as government hospitals, private hospitals, medical device companies, and rehabilitation centers. At the end, let me show you some biomedical equipment which in future biomedical engineering technologists will encounter, such as in the first picture, there is an anesthesia machine behind, patient table, patient monitor, electrosurgical unit. In addition, in the below picture, you can see there are various imaging modality equipment or machines like MRI machine, CT scan machine, ultrasound machine, etc. Thank you for your time and cooperation. Jazakallah.